Yo, what it do? This your boy Al Wu with the shoe, and I'm bringing you some more banging heat. So if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button. All my A1 day ones, shout out and salute. Today I want to go over NBA players and they rap counterparts. That's right. All the people who I think are equal, or if they were in their respective fields and swap it out, this is their equal. Let's go. Number one, we got Master P. Is Master P himself. That's right, the only rapper on here that actually was in the NBA. My mans was balling in the studio and on the hardwood with the NBA. Shout out to Master P. Next up, we got let's go T-Mac and Andre 3000. That's right. These two had all the talents, all the skills. They were the coldest when they did it, man. They definitely can go toe-to-toe with the best of them. They just don't got longevity. Next one up, AI and T.I. That's right. I didn't put them together because they had two letters for the initials, but the guys were pound for pound one of the best at their weight class. I mean, they were not afraid and they were controversial. Let's go. Dame Lillard and Big Sean. That's right. To me, those two are underrated. They just as good as anybody on any given night, man. They just don't got that fervor, that fire. They don't do it enough, man. Come on, Sean and Dame Lillard, man. Y'all supposed to do something this year with the Bucks. Let's go. Next one up. We got Kyrie Irving and Wale. That's right, man. Both of these characters, both of these cats are misunderstood, and they nice when they in the game seriously. So next up, man, we got Isaiah Thomas and Nas. Should I say the comparisons and the parallels is real? They were hated on by their peers, and they was some beasts, man. Next one, Wilt Chamberlain and Snoop Dogg, OGs of the game. They are West Coast legends. Crazy statistics for both of them. Next one, man, Magic Johnson and Jay-Z. Come on, they both billionaires outside of their respective arenas. And some people call them the GOATs. Next, we got Kanye and Kareem. They are outspoken veterans, and they won on every level, and they don't be brought up enough in the GOAT conversation. Next one up, man, LeBron-James and Drake. 20 plus years, man, at the top. People still argue that they the best. They're the number one. They got all the accolades. The longevity is there. Come on. Next one, Curry and Kendrick. That's right, the two golden boys. They can destroy ops from afar, man, and go crazy hot. Man, on any given night, they are considered the best in the world at what they do. Let's go. Giannis and J. Cole. Sad about that one, man. My boy Cole let me down. Man, they great as heck, man. Can be the best in the world at any given time, but they just fall back at times and let people forget how great they are. Next one up, Shaq and Biggie Smalls. Come on, man. They cheated the game, both of them. They left too soon and was dominant as heck, dude. Larry Bird and Eminem. Come on, dude. The only white guys that dominated all black arenas and fields. Them two would have you pulling your hair out to try to compete with them two, man. Seriously. Next one, man. We got Kobe Bryant and Lil Wayne. They copied the best, and sometimes they did it better than the best at times. So, what can you say? And then we got Dr. J and Rakim. The OGs of the game, the originators. They are the ones with style and grace. That's how they are comparable. And the last one, we got Michael Jeffrey Jordan and Tupac-Shakur. To me, the GOATs, the best who ever do it at any level. They are the best in their arenas. When you look at global icons and you take the game of basketball or the field of rap and genre of hip hop, you think of those two, not only are they both bald head, but they are the best who ever done it. And that's just my opinion. So I hope y'all like this comparison list. It's Al Wu with the shoe. Hit that subscribe button. You already know what to do. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes? and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown, bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.